Assalamualaikum students. Today we are going to start our new lecture on exercise 3.1. We have done previous video question number 1 to 4 and question number 5 you have to do by yourself. Now let's start for the question number 6. What is written in the question number 6? Two numbers are in ratio 5:8. If 9 is added to each number, we get a new ratio 8:11. Find the numbers. Ratio between two numbers is 5:8, which is given in the question. Numbers to be added in both the ratios is 9. Remember that we don't know those numbers, we have to find the numbers जिनका रेशो 5:8 है और जिसमें 9 ऐड किया जाएगा एंड वी गेट न्यू रेशो 8:11. We have to let first number and second number, both the numbers we have to let for the solution. Let first number is 5x and second number is 8x. According to the given condition क्या है कि in the numbers we have to add 9 in both the numbers and get new ratio 8:11. And it is a proportion. You can clearly see that sign of equality between two ratios. We have learned in the previous lecture that equality between two ratios is called proportion, and for proportion we use product of extremes is equals to product of means to solve the statement of proportion. Product of extremes means corner values and product of means middle values. We have to multiply product of extremes with equal to product of means. After multiplication, 11 multiply with 5x plus 9, we got 55x. 11 5s are 55 plus 11 9s are 99. And in the right hand side, 8 multiply with 8x plus 9, 8 8s are 64x plus 8 9s are 72. To find the x for the simplification, we have to put x values on the one side and other values, constant numbers, on the right side. 64x minus 55x, we got 9x, and 99 minus 72, we got 27. For after simplification, x is equal to 3. And remember that we have let the numbers 5x and 8x, and we have find the value of x. By putting the value of x in the numbers, we can get the original numbers. Those were required numbers. First number was 5x, so 5, put the value of x, 3, that we have find. 5 3s are 15. First number is 15 and the second number 8x, where we put the value of x. 8 3s are 24. The second number is 24. So the required numbers are 15 and 24. Now students, I have told you question number 6. Maybe I hope that you have understand question number 6. Question number 7 is same as like question number 6. You have to do it by yourself. Now come to the question number 8. Find the cost of 8 kg mangoes if 5 kg mangoes cost rupees 250. What we have given? Weight and prices of the different weights. 5 kg mangoes cost rupees 250 and 8 kg mangoes cost we have to find, that is unknown. Make the ratios of weight and make the ratio of prices also. Second quantity we don't know, so we use x. We know that equality of two ratios is called proportion. For proportion we use product of extremes is equals to product of means, and we know that corner values are extremes and middle values are means. 5 multiply x, we got 5x, and 250 multiply with 8, we got 2000. After simplification we got x equal to 400. So the cost of 8 kg mangoes is rupees 400. Now come to question number 9. What we are given? If a ratio b equal to 7:6, find the value of 3a plus 5b ratio 7b minus 5a. Students always remember that if के साथ हमें जो भी दिया गया होता है वो हमने यूज़ करना होता है, उसको लेके चलना होता है. वो सारी वैल्यूज़ आप यूज़ करते हैं सोल्यूशन के लिए. जो चीज़ आपने फाइंड आउट करनी है उसके लिए आपको ये क्लू दिया जाता है, हिंट दिया जाता है. दैट इज़ हिंट टू यूज़ फॉर द सोल्यूशन ऑफ द रेस्ट ऑफ द क्वेश्चन. a ratio b is equals to 7:6. Transform into fraction form. a over b is equals to 7/6. Now same the next ratio, 3a plus 5b ratio 7b minus 5a. We have to transform it into fraction form. Dividing numerator and denominator by b. Why we are dividing? Later I will explain you. 3a plus 5b over b, 7b minus 5a over b according to the statement. After dividing with each number separately, this b will cancel with b, numerator and denominator, and this will also be cancelled with the numerator and denominator. So what will be remaining? 3a over b plus 5, 7 minus 5a over b. Have you concluded that why we have divided b? To get a over b and to use the given result. Now put values of a over b from equation 1 which we have used, which we are given in the question. A over b is equals to 7 over 6. Putting a over b, value of a over b in everywhere it is written a over b, we will use 7 over 6. After simplification, 7 3 21 over 6 plus 5, 7 minus 5 7 35 over 6, 6 or 6 cancel, and we got 21 plus 30, 42 minus 35, that is 51 over 7. We have to transform it into ratio, that is 51 over 51 ratio 7. Now come to the question number 10. What is given? If 24 over 7 and 6 over x, then find the value of 4x. Just we have to cross multiply it and we can find the value of what is required. There is nothing difficult in this. 24x after cross multiplication and 6 multiply 7, 42, and we have to make 24x as 4x. So we divide by 6 on the both side and we get 4x equal to 7. It was required to find the value of 4x, that's why we have transformed it into 24x into 4x. Come to the next question. 5a over 3x is equals to 15b over y. Then we have to find the value of ay. Again after cross multiplication, 5ay and 3x multiplied by 15b, we have got 45bx, and 5 is multiplying here and now it is dividing here. Why 5 is come to the right side? Because we have to find the value of ay. That's why we have separated ay and found the value. Similarly, you have to do the third part by cross multiplication. Now students, for the question number 11, what is written? Find the x in the following proportion. I will teach you one part and you have to do the remaining parts by using the same procedure. Okay, we have to find the value of x in the proportions, and we know that proportion is equality of two ratios. There are two ratios given, first ratio, second ratio, and we know that for the solution of proportion we use product of means is equals to product of extremes. And what are means? The middle values are means and the corner values are called extremes. So corner values will multiply with each other and the middle values will multiply with each other for the product of means and for the product of extremes. After multiplication, x minus 1 and x minus 1 will be cancelled out here, and what is remaining? 5 over 3, and here nothing is cancellation, so we are multiplying 4 with x minus 3 and 2 with x plus 4. After multiplication we have got 4x minus 4 3s are 12 and 2x plus 2 4s are 8. Now it has confirmed that 5 over 3 is equal to 4x minus 12, 2x plus 8. For the cross multiplication, what will be there? 5 multiply with 2x plus 8 and 3 multiply with 4x minus 12. 5 2s are 10x plus 5 8s are 40. 3 4s are 12x minus 12 3s are 36. For the solution, we have to find the value of x. So the x values should be on the one side and remaining numbers will be transferred to the other side. So 12x minus 10x will be equal to 40 plus 36. Minus 36 will go there to the 40 and it will change its sign. 12x minus 10x will be 2x, 40 plus 36, 76, and 2 will be divided with 76. We have got x equal to 38. I have told you the same procedure, product of means equal to product of extremes. By using this statement, you have to find the remaining parts and remaining values of x in the remaining parts. And what is the, in review exercise question number 2 6 part, it is related with this question. You also have to do this question by yourself. Hope you can do this.